Welcome to RV Gear Review. Today we're taking you inside the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a stunning blend of Scandinavian minimalism and cutting-edge luxury, built for the modern nomad. This isn't just a motorhome, a refined mobile sanctuary crafted for those who demand comfort, style, and technology on every mile of the journey. Starting with its design, the exterior holds true to Volvo's iconic sleek lines, reimagined with rugged enhancements to handle long hauls and varied terrain. Built on a reinforced chassis with advanced suspension, it offers a smooth, quiet ride, even over uneven surfaces. The aerodynamic body panels, integrated LED lighting, and a panoramic windshield make it look as futuristic as it feels. Under the hood, you'll find Volvo's hybrid powertrain combining a turbocharged engine with electric drive support, delivering efficiency without sacrificing power. With regenerative braking and off-grid capabilities thanks to solar integration and lithium battery systems, this motorhome supports both long-distance travel and remote camping. Step inside and you'll see why it's called Ultimate Luxury. The living space is wrapped in soft-touch eco-leather, real wood finishes, and mood lighting throughout. A retractable OLED smart TV, voice-controlled ambient settings, and heated flooring take comfort to the next level. The modular seating area converts effortlessly into a full-size bed, and there's a built-in workstation for digital nomads on the go. The kitchen is compact yet premium, featuring a 2-burner induction cooktop, convection microwave, full-size fridge, and smart storage to keep everything tidy and accessible. The bathroom includes a rainfall shower, composting toilet, and touch-free fixtures. Tech lovers will appreciate the AI-powered control hub, which manages climate, power, water, and security systems from a single interface, accessible through voice or an app. Safety isn't overlooked either. This motorhome includes 360-degree cameras, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. What makes this Volvo truly stand out is the harmony between function and feel. It's not just about traveling, it's about elevating the experience. Whether you're headed for the coast, the mountains, or simply enjoying the road, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome redefines how luxury and exploration come together. Stay tuned to RV Gear Review for more updates on the most advanced mobile homes on the market.